Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both devices. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and airplane mode is off. On the boat side, power the Bluetooth hub or the phone you'll pair with and set it discoverable. Now open your smartwatch settings, go to Connectivity, and tap Bluetooth to start scanning. Once done, keep the watch within 3-5 meters of the boat unit so the radio finds it quickly. This avoids pairing timeouts and reduces interference from other nearby devices. You'll see a scanning list. When the boat device name appears, tap it promptly. If a PIN or numeric code shows, verify it matches on both devices and accept. Make sure to grant required permissions like notifications and media access so functions work. Once paired, observe the connection status, connected, paired, or bonded, on the watch. If audio or sensor data is part of the setup, test a brief transmission. Now, to confirm the link is active and stable, you finish by testing key features. Play a short audio clip, check GPS or sensor sync, and confirm alerts arrive on the watch. If something fails, restart both the watch and the boat unit, then retry the pairing process. Simple reboots clear many Bluetooth issues. If problems persist, remove old pairings on either device to prevent conflicts and make sure firmware is up to date. One key tip: interference from other radios can block pairing, so move away from other devices while pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.